What's going on, first grade? Mr. Hunter here. It is day 3. Can you believe it? We've already made it to day 3 of our reading for this week. We're talking about fantasy and reality. And yes, we are excited to read today. All you need is your pencil. You need your pen. You're going to write on the actual top where it says your name. Put your date on there again. Today is April the 17th. Yes, if it was 16th yesterday, it is the 17th today. All right. We're going to be talking more about fantasy and reality, make believe and not make believe and real. All right. So looking at the picture, I'm just going to ask you right now, what do you see in this picture and what can really happen in this picture? Okay. I see the pencil on the desk. I see the chair. I see the baseball. I see pencils. I see a picture. Right. Wait a minute. Was that a cat? What's the cat doing on the desk? Can that really happen? Yes, it can. Cats can get on top of the desk. They can get on top of the tables. They're not supposed to be up there, but they can do that. So that is something that can really happen. So that can really happen. But let's read the story and let's see if there's any crazy events that happen in the story that are not realistic. All right. So let's start with the first part. It says, Maisie the cat sat by Leo. Leo tried to finish his homework, but he was too tired. Leo left the paper on his desk. He gave his pet a quick pat. Then he got into bed and he fell asleep. Maisie looked at Leo's homework. She picked up a pencil. She used her toes to count, and Maisie finished the page. Then she looked at Leo and smiled. She liked being Leo's friend. So, guys, everybody raise your hand if you heard some crazy things happen in that story. I'm going to raise both hands because I don't know what I just read. But I'm going to read it again with you guys. And make sure you have your pencil. Let's put fantasy, little F, or a little R for reality next to this sentence. All right? Maisie the cat sat by Leo. Leo tried to finish his homework, but he was too tired. Leo left the paper on his desk. He gave his pet a quick pat. Then he got into bed and he fell asleep. Maisie looked at Leo's homework. She picked up a pencil. She used her toes to count. Maisie finished the page. Then she looked at Leo and smiled. She liked being Leo's friend. All right, so now you have your page. You have your little R's, your little F's there. And I hope you decide what you think about the story there, because we're going to go down. We're going to answer some questions about this story. All right. Now it says fill in a circle next to the correct answer. Number 1, what in the story is make believe? Letter A cat looks at a boy. That sounds. B, a cat can do math. Or C, a boy does his homework. So out of those choices, which one do you think is make believe? Remember, make believe is fantasy. It can't really happen. Number 2, what in the story can really happen? So what's reality? A cat can like a boy. B, a cat can smile at a boy. Or C, a cat can write with a pencil. What do you guys think? All right, you have to answer right there. And then number 3, it says, what is true about cats? They can smile, which is A. They use their toes to count. Or C, they can be pets. All right, and then at the bottom, some more sight words. Circle the 2 words that are the same. All right, don't circle all the words. Don't circle 1 word. Circle 2 of the words, all right? Hope you guys got this. Hope you enjoyed today's story. Have a wonderful weekend. See you next week.